we lost spark. Races start in like 10 minutes. Wait, let me look. 40 minutes. Races start in 40 minutes. We lost spark. Truck died. This is the coil. I pulled the coil, and this is what came off. This is what I could find. This is riveted in. I gotta cut these rivets off, get this mounted on here, and see if we can get this truck running. Tis ran to go get himself some food while I went to get a part, but I beat him back here, so time to get to work.
Caught up to her.
Oh yeah. Oh, you better move, girl. Okay guys, this was absolutely insane, okay? And I wish I could have gotten all of it on camera. Truck was running. Okay, last video I was like, oh yeah, we're probably gonna go to the races, you know. We got the truck to start, pulled it over to where I had my body panels, started putting body panels on, and the truck died. Found that tested the coil was bad. Ran and got a coil. Thank goodness my brother was here to help. We had to rip into all the stuff in there. We changed the coil. That was really hard to do. There's a lot less access back there than you would think. Changed the coil, still not working. So I run and get a cap, rotor, and a module, change all that, and it fires back up. But it runs terrible, absolutely terrible. I couldn't get it to go from a stop once you put it in gear. I mean, you can get it to rev up in neutral, but that was about the extent of it. You put it in gear and it just falls in its face. We cranked the fuel pressure up, which seemed to help it a little bit. And then we noticed that we had to, if you power brake it to rev it up, it still falls flat on its face. But if you rev it up in neutral and then neutral drop it, it'll take off and at least drive, but it doesn't have any real oomph to get it going, and it doesn't sound great. But oh well. Suspension did its job, which I think is phenomenal. Maybe in the daylight I'll check out the bump stops and stuff back there and see what's going on. But they ran it kind of Jersey drag style, kind of like what the monster trucks do, and it was double elimination. I won all of my rounds, and so we won that thing. So right on. There was I think there was one other person I was supposed to race, but they broke and pulled off the track. And then of course my last race, that gentleman rolled over, and he is okay. So thank goodness for that. But yeah, I guess we did enough to get this thing on the podium, and that was absolutely insane. So yeah, and don't forget about Gilmore Graphics, and we always beat the fit paint to match. I'm excited that we at least competed, but I really got to get this thing tuned in way more, because I feel like it should have been a lot faster than it was. But you know, hey, we competed and we won. So tomorrow is the full contact version of all that. So same course, just everybody running at the same time. I need to do some enclosure so I don't do damage. Oh look, power steering leak. Looks like we'll be looking into some of that stuff too. All right, rock on. Alrighty, home. It's like almost 2 a.m. But quick little race recap. You saw there, I jumped into a Gen X. I was that little car there with the orange doors. There was another guy driving it. He was also running a B mod. He asked me to jump in because it was tight for him to get out of one car and into the other, and he was subbing for somebody anyways. And yeah, anyways, they landed on me driving it, which I was way too big for the car, and the brake pedal, or the brakes, didn't really work. They bled off. You had to keep pumping them to keep them up. But you know, I'm not a front wheel drive Gen X driver, but I feel like I did okay, even though we just kind of tooled in the back. But that was everything that little car had. It was foot to the floor. So had a good time doing that. And then of course we won the Tuff Truck, which is awesome. Full contact race tomorrow. I keep scratching my head. I don't know what else to throw at this thing to try to make it run better, but I'm hoping maybe I can sleep on it and come up with something. So yeah, decent night. And after a long break, it was nice to get back into something and drive, which was kind of cool. So definitely not the end of it. We'll see what more is in the future, but like I said, we got some more Tuff Truck racing to do tomorrow. So I'm going to end the video here. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. My brother's not here, but here's a clip of him saying his thing.
Until next time, keep the dirty side down.
And thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next video. Peace.